Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Snapchat widget not showing in 2026. Now, if you can't find the widget, it's missing from your home screen options or it suddenly disappeared. Don't worry, this is a very common issue. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to restart your phone. So this sounds very simple, but it fixes many temporary widget related glitches. After restarting your phone, you can try adding the widgets again and see if it is working properly or not. If the issue still persists, you can just simply open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Snapchat. Now, as you can see right next to my Snapchat application, I can see this update button. So if you also see the update button over here, simply tap on the option of update and update your Snapchat application to the latest version. The outdated versions often break the widgets. Now you need to make sure that you have the system permissions allowed because widgets require the system's permissions. For that, you can go to the settings of Snapchat and then you can allow the permissions when prompted. You can also try uninstalling the Snapchat application from here and then you can reinstall it if you are not able to basically fix the issue even after doing all of these steps. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.